Has your shop vacuum lost suction? This video will give you 5 simple steps to troubleshoot the problem and get your shop vacuum working like new. Step 1. Check for clogs in the hose and attachments. Remove the hose from the vacuum. Carefully place your hand over the vacuum port with the vacuum on. If suction is coming directly from the port, then the hose is likely obstructed. A long stick or broom handle can help dislodge any stuck debris. If suction is not coming from the port, then the issue is likely within the vacuum. Step 2. Empty the barrel or replace the collection bag. A full barrel or clogged bag restricts airflow and weakens suction. Dispose of the full collection bag and ensure to replace the bag with the correct compatible type for your shop vacuum. Step 3. Clean or replace the filter. Clogged filters are a frequent cause of reduced suction. Consult your user manual to see if your filters can be washed, agitated, or need replacement. Step 4. Inspect for leaks and loose fittings. Cracks, tears, or loose connections can allow air to escape, reducing suction. Perform a visual inspection of the hose, canister, and around the filter seal. Make sure that each component of the vacuum is fully seated, that clamps are latched, and features such as drain ports are sealed tightly. Step 5. Contact a professional. Inspecting and replacing a shop vacuum motor can be complex and might void your warranty if done incorrectly. So we recommend consulting a customer service representative before taking this step. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose the problem and get your shop vacuum working like new again. When you're using a wet-dry vacuum for any type of cleanup, make it dustless.